Hmm. Yeah, the sushi looks delicious. Looks great. Luigi, do you like sushi? Uh, yes. Yeah, I really do like sushi. It looks delicious. Yeah. Oh, Luigi, you're gonna drink the 7 Up? Yep. Yeah, I just want to drink 7 Up. Alright, so let me open this. Okay. Yeah, just let me just open it. Careful. Alright. That was difficult. Alright. Now I'm gonna drink it. Yep, this is good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, Luigi, this looks delicious. Yeah, tell me about it. It looks good. Sushi looks very good. Yeah, I know that. Alright, I'm just gonna keep eating. Oh yeah, Luigi, this sushi tastes good because this sushi is the most delicious thing I ever tasted in my life. Yeah, yeah. Speaking of which, I really like 7 Up. It tastes really good. Yes. Yep. The 7 Up it tastes good as well. Yep. I know it is. What? Luigi, you have a hiccups. Uh, I think I do. Maybe, um, maybe I really do have a hiccups though. Mario, I don't know what happened. Whoa, Luigi, you have hiccups again. Yeah, I know. Uh, what? Oh no, this is not good. I know, Mario. Ah, come on, stop doing that. Hiccups. Oh, that's just great, Luigi. You have a hiccups because you drink soda. Yeah, I know. What do we do? I can't have hiccups. Oh, well, come sit in the bedroom. I got a plan. All right. Well, Luigi, I think we have to figure out how to get rid of your hiccups. You know, I guess we had to do something perfect, like getting rid of hiccups. What kind of things should we do to get rid of the hiccups? Um, how about Five Nights Freddy's? Five Nights at Freddy's, the scary game. Yeah. Okay, that'll be such a good idea, Luigi. That'll cute. That will get rid of your hiccups. Yep. All right, let's go. All right. Okay, Luigi. Here it is. Five Nights at Freddy's. All I gotta do is just play a game, and then when you lose, your hiccups will be gone. Got it? Got it. Okay, good. All right, now you can play. All right. All right. Here goes nothing. Okay. Alright. I'm pretty sure the game is too scary for me. Huh? Alright. Alright. Oh, I don't want to do anything stupid. Alright. I just want to be careful because I don't want to get too scary. Unless my unless I want my hiccups gone. Alright. What? What the? I feel like I'm so scared. What? Okay. Okay, just... Okay, just... Oh no. Oh, it's... Uh-oh. Okay, that can be good. Alright. Alright, I gotta be careful because I don't want to get... I don't want to get way too scary. I don't know what happened. What the? She's gone. Uh-oh. That can't be good, that can't be good. Alright. 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 Don't worry, Luigi, you'll be fine, you'll be fine. I want your hiccups gone. Okay, Mario? What the? Alright. Okay. Alright, just calm down, Luigi, calm down. It's just a game. What? What's going on? What's going on? Jesus. Jesus. That's stupid. Oh my gosh. What the? What is going on? It's still here. Alright. Alright, just keep it coming. Keep it coming. We're almost there. Jesus. Alright. No! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, it's game over. Mario, I think it's game over. Wow, Luigi, I can't believe this. Oh, but now look what happened. Your hiccups. It's gone. Wait, really? Really? Oh, yeah. Finally, I got rid of the hiccups. Cool, yeah. Oh, thank you so much, Mario. You're the best brother in the world. Yeah, I know, Luigi. I know. Yeah. Oh, Luigi. Really? Hiccups again? Yeah. Oh, not again. Well, oh, I think we should try something else. Yeah. This sucks, Luigi. Yeah. Tell me about it. We don't know how to get. We don't know how to get rid of your hiccups. Yeah. Well, maybe if you get hiccups, you should drink water. Oh, really? Oh yeah. Let me get the water bottle. Okay. Okay, I got the water bottle. Oh, you got the water bottle, Luigi. Cool. Alright. Now, okay, I guess you can drink now. Okay then. Alright, I guess I'm going to open the lid. Okay. Let me get this lid open. Come on. Alright, come on, you got this. Alright. Oh, there you go. Alright. We'll just drink it. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna drink it. All right. Okay. Yeah, I gotta like drink water. Yeah, cool. Whew. Hey, Mario, did you see that? I drink water. And now look, see? Now my hiccups are gone. Well, that's a good one, Luigi. That's very good. Yeah, I know. It was good. Oh, and now look, you got rid of the hiccups. I'm very proud of you. Yep, I got rid of hiccups. Cool. Yeah. Ah, it didn't work at all. Didn't work either. Yeah, it didn't work. Now what do we do? We gotta think. Hmm. Ooh, how about maybe we could just I forgot. Yeah. Well, what about THX logo? That'll work. Okay, that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, let's do it. Okay, yeah. Okay, Luigi. All we're gonna do is just watch THX logo, and it'll get ready. It'll get rid of your hiccups. Got it? Got it. All right, let's get started. All right. Is it a spaceship? It could be a spaceship. I can see the Earth right here. But oh, all right, here goes, Luigi. Here goes. All right, all right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, that was very loud. Yeah, I know. Oh, oh my gosh, Luigi, that was very loud. Yeah, I know. Wow, jeez. All right, so let's go. That was the craziest THX logo I ever heard in my life. Yeah, I know. Whoa, Luigi, do you hear that? Yeah, your hiccups are gone. Oh yeah, finally my hiccups are finally gone. Now I don't have to. Now I don't have to worry about getting hiccups anymore. Yep, great. Gee, well, I guess we should never drink a 7-Up very fast. Yeah, I guess we should probably drink slowly. Yeah. So, what do you think we should do, Luigi? Um, I guess we should. Let me think. Hmm. Or maybe, yeah. I guess we should go. We go. We should. I'm not sure. I'll think. Yeah. Let me think about it. Hmm. I guess we can. We're gonna play a game. We're gonna play a game. More like Mario Kart. How about we could play Mario Kart? Is that good? Okay then. I guess we should play Mario Kart. All right. Let's go. Let's go play Mario Kart. All right. Mario Kart is the coolest game on earth. Yep.